in your eyes now, but I know there's always a way. From sunrise till dawn, I'll be here waiting. From sunrise till dawn, I'll never stop. I'll fix you up, make everything much smoother again. I'll fix you up, from sunrise till dawn, my friend. I'll fix you up, with these hands and heart so true. I'll fix you up, Daniel, I'll fix you up. The connections might be tangled, the power source has lost its spark, but every wire tells a story, and I can mend what's torn apart. From sunrise till dawn, I'll be here waiting. From sunrise till dawn, I'll never stop. I'll fix you up, make everything run smooth again. I'll fix you up, from sunrise till dawn, my friend. I'll fix you up, with these hands and heart so true. I'll fix you up, Daniel, I'll fix you up. When the current isn't flowing, when the signals disappear, I'll be here with tools and patience, make the static crystal clear. Every cable, every circuit, every problem that you bring, I'll restore what time has broken, make the whole world sing. So don't you worry about tomorrow, don't you stress about today. I've got maintenance for your troubles, and I'll chase them all away. I'll fix you up, make everything run smooth again. I'll fix you up, from sunrise till dawn, my friend. I'll fix you up, with these hands and heart so true. I'll fix you up, Daniel, I'll fix you up. Hey, Daniel, everything's good as new. Hey, Daniel, I'll fix you up for you.
Well, welcome, and good afternoon. I am your host, Daniel. Welcome to my show. Today is Judge Brian Oakley. And before we get started with Judge Oakley, I want to say thank you to all the new subscribers. Welcome to all the new subscribers, and thank you for your support. Say that 10 times fast. Your support does mean a lot to me. And if you like this content and you're not a subscriber to this channel, please do me a big, huge favor. You can follow me here on YouTube. You can follow me on Rumble. The links are in the link to the Rumble is in the main channel page. So let's get started with Judge Brian Oakley. And make this bigger. I'll be watching, but my mic will be muted. So let's get started.
Statute. That's not jurisdiction. That's the law that you're being charged under is not common law. It's a statute. It's an ordinance from the city of Romulus. Now, if you want to know what that ordinance says, then you can get that ordinance.
I understand what you're trying to tell me, but I'm saying the Constitution, the Amendment of the Constitution have a right to explain. I'm just asking questions.
And I'm answering it to the best of my ability.
It's all like, oh, it's how you say it was criminal. I know criminal as common law, and I know criminal as another law.
Okay, but your knowledge is not complete. I don't know what to tell you. You're swimming in a pond. You don't even know the rules, but you've chosen to do that. And I have a right to ignore your questions if I've answered them already, which I've done more than one time. So here's where we're at. This is a pretrial. Do you want to talk to the prosecutor today? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, then go talk to the prosecutor. And I have a right to ignore your questions. Yes, I'm under oath, but that has nothing to do with my ability to tell you, no, I'm not answering any more questions. Go talk to the prosecutor. That's what a pretrial is for.
We send on prosecutors waiting list.
I don't know if we want to create a file for it. No, that's what I mean.
If you speak to the prosecutor that knows their side of the meeting.
I don't know, I just don't want nobody to be liable, that's all.
Okay, let's talk to the prosecutor about that. I'm sorry.
See all of them, I had a trade of,
Mm-hmm.
sorry, yeah.
All right, I'm trying to find Riviera Gomez. Is that a defendant?
It's a civil infraction.
Oh, then I'm not going to find that one. Tracy Aldrin,
That's not another one either.
that's a civil too?
Mr. Moat, John Moat, thank you so much, Chairman. Crystal Marie Zena, on behalf of, sir, would you see your last name to me, please? I just believe.
Good morning.
Thank you so much. With regard to the arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive formal reading and stand mute. At this time, my client is prepared to plead guilty to allowing him a licensed driver to drive. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. Did you discuss your rights and options with counsel? You understand those rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for today's charge? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to that charge? Sir, did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on, what is that, March 19th, 2024? And at that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? Counsel, you satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
So am I. I'll accept your plea to the added charge, sir. I'll dismiss the original charge. What's the status of your license now?
He has a valid license.
Awesome.
He has a valid license, Your Honor. He's at a payment plan here with Romulus. He paid off more than half of it, so he would receive the clearance, Your Honor.
Good.
He is signed up with Uber right now.
Good.
If he needs to work, his wife is the prime financial provider.
Mhm.
She is a financial advisor. They have 2 children in common. And so he was just here with his son, got to drop him off at school, came back. So he is the primary caretaker of their children.
Okay. All right.
That's the court imposed fines and costs.
Thank you. Did you make a payment in the last couple days?
1 second. My payment date, my next payment date is the 22nd of September, 4 days.
All right. So I'm showing a balance of $1,454. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And you got a payment coming up. Okay. All right. So are you working?
I'm right now, I'm staying at home at the moment.
Taking care of kids?
Yeah.
When's the last time you had a job? Where was it at?
Midnight.
Okay. Okay. All right. Anything else I should know about you before I sentence? Yeah. Good job on that. All right. Man, this file's been kicking around with some warrant fees.
Yeah,
Whew. All right, let's see. So you're relying on family for transportation? Yeah.
what,
Oh, you're licensed now.
Signed up with
All right.
just in case depending on what's going on in your household.
Yeah. Yeah.
He has that option, but it's.
So here's,
Provided.
how many kids you got? Youngest? Oldest? So they're in school every day. Okay. All right. So here's what I'm going to do. Usually with all these late fees you picked up, this is like a $700 file and you already owe way too much money. So what I'm thinking is instead of giving you, I'm going to hit you for some money, but instead of hitting you for the full 700, I'm going to give you some extra days on the court work program, which gives you ability to basically work off your debt to me instead of pay it. That means you pick the days, but those days you got to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning. That work? Okay.
8, that's the time, I can set it up yesterday.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, if you're 8:05, you're all right. If you're 8:35, you're probably SOL.
Yeah. I got a brother staying with me, he can take care of the kids.
Okay. Okay.
That's the right answer. Make it work. Good job.
All right. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do 300 fines and costs and 7 days on the work program. All right. So the 300 you add into the payment plan you've got, just keep making your $50 a week or whatever it is. And then when you go downstairs to add the 300 into your payment plan, you're going to schedule those days on the work program. Any questions? Good luck. You're welcome.
You take care, sir. Here's going to the door. It was very nice meeting you.
Have you talked to an attorney? Probably should have warned Mr. Greco what was coming. Jamie probably did.
Sure, I can talk to these people.
Marco, what did you need?
Yes. My attorney just texted me and said that he woke up sick. I'm here for a civil infraction.
Correct.
Do
Wait
I
a minute.
have? Yes.
Your attorney is in the breakout room. Mr. Mamet is in the breakout room.
Okay. I
So
don't know.
he actually, you don't even, because it's a pre-hearing and your attorney is here, you actually don't need to sit on. I mean, unless your attorney told you to come on.
Okay. Yeah, I
Just
must
which
have read
one-
the message. I
Were
got a
you
message
working
from
with
him
Violas or Mamet?
with goodness. This is so confusing. It's Michael, actually.
Not Stephen Mamet?
No, the lawyer I've been or my attorney is from a company Elite Mix.
Yep. That's Mr. Mamet's
Okay.
company. So he's actually the one that's handling it today. He's been here since 8 o'clock this morning. He's just stuck in the Zoom room waiting to
Okay.
speak to the prosecutor.
When you're ready.
So you can continue to hang out until he's
Myers?
done. Up to you, or you can hang up.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, thank you so much then.
You are welcome.
Myers versus Palin, Allen.
Yeah. Patrick Macus.
Jamie, are you calling people in?
They have, yes.
Okay.
And Mr.
I'm just wondering
Mr.
so I can come in. All right.
Yeah, Mr. Bode just walking in also. Thank
All
you.
right. Thank you.
Marshall. What are we doing? The files out there alphabetically today?
We got two lists. Yeah, I see what you're saying. On our Marshall, is that Mia?
Mia.
Okay.
And then the last one I've got is, I think it's Bingo, BI. Bingo.
There's the shot.
Yep.
Your picture.
Mr. Bowditch, who do you want to start with?
We start with this Marshall.
We can. And we will.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeff Bowden, speaking on behalf of this Marshall. Picture Marion.
Mia Marshall. Good morning.
Your Honor, today is the time, set for pretrial in this matter, prosecution wishes to dismiss these charges.
No.
Yes. I do that, have to accept that.
But he will. Is it all right with you if I dismiss this? All right. You have a lovely day.
Terrorizing this young lady off.
It was worth it, wasn't it? All right.
Thank you.
Before somebody changes their mind. Who's next? Mr. Myers, come on up.
For the record, Jeff Bowden, 45367, appearing on behalf And with Mr. Myers. Your Honor, today, so could you tell the name for the
Hello, Myers.
Good morning.
Today is they accept for pretrial in this matter, we are requesting a bench trial.
All right. Mr. Myers, do you understand that you do have a constitutional right to a jury trial? And you understand the difference between a jury trial and a bench trial? And you're waiving the jury, correct? All right, let's figure out what the date's going to be. Now I'm cold.
Person, you can't talk about the case at all, or not?
Well, you got an attorney, so you should get your advice from the attorney. So if the attorney thinks it's time to talk about the case, he'll tell you, but usually that's trial. I can't help you much with that because this case has got nothing to do with your impound. Right. No, the case. What we do with this case isn't stopping you from getting your car out of impound. That's between you and the impound lot. Because I didn't impound your car. You understand that? Usually they want money to give you your car back.
October 30th, 11:45.
11:45? All right, Mr. Myers, that work for you? All right. All right, we'll see you then. Heather's going to put a paper notice together and you can walk out with that in your hand.
All right, thank you.
You do know that the impound lot's probably charging you by the day.
They've been folded. Without, like, I've been like the first day, like first week, and been in there, I called and they're folded, they're folded. Little pieces open. I mean, they open, they're targeted.
All right, something's wrong there because the PD would not be holding your car as evidence on a drove while license suspended charge.
But I don't think they'll use the ballot and license.
Yeah, but it's not because of the court case. Right. Who's got your car, sir? Towing. And they're telling you they're waiting on the court case? They've got nothing to do with this court case. Are you sure they're not? All right, Mr. Bowditch, you might talk to Mr.
That would probably be the detective.
Greco.
Hold.
Yeah.
Bureau, we put a hold on a vehicle.
On a fail to stop in a DWS?
That, I don't, when they did an inventory search, who knows what.
Oh, they might be waiting for some other charges to come.
There could be a whole lot.
Mr. Bowditch, if you would ask Mr. Greco if he can look into that. So if, for example, because when they take your car into custody, they being PDs, they usually do an inventory search. If they found something in your car and they're thinking there might be further charges coming down the road, they might be waiting until they see what happens there. I'm just saying, I've got no hold on your car with these cases. Okay, I don't know what it is. I'm just telling you, I have no control over whether or not your car gets released. So he will talk to the prosecutor and see if the prosecutor can figure out why there's a hold on your car. If there's anything that we can do there, we'll try it. But I'm telling you, I haven't ordered an impound and I haven't told anybody not to release it. Understood?
Is there an attorney on that screen?
Yes.
Which one you want to do next, Mr. Bowditch?
We have the actor.
Oh, hold on. Mr. Myers. Are you on a payment plan with us?
I'll plan on doing it.
Are you in a position to commit to one now?
I'll start my job like literally next week. I was like 5 times.
Well, you don't have to start paying now. You just got to put it on paper. So if you want to start it, a month down the road, just get that set up today before you leave. All right?
Yeah, Millen.
We need to file, right?
Who's next, Mr. Bowditch?
We have District Maintenance.
Is that what I'm saying?
Patrick? Is it Makus? Macus? How do you say it? Say it again. Come on up, Mr. Macus.
You're on for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch, appearing on behalf of Mr. Mackins. Today, the time set for pre-trial. Let the prosecution, I remember the defense.
Thank you.
Subject for approval. In this agreement, Mr. Mackins will be pleading responsibility for the civil infraction of impeding traffic. As you can agree to bond assessed line $350.
All right. Mr. Mackins, it says here that you're going to plead responsible to an added civil infraction. You've agreed to pay fines at cost of $350, and the misdemeanor issued on June 11 or June 1 would be dismissed. Is that correct? And is that how you want to resolve this today?
Yes.
All right. Can you pay the $350 today? All right, go downstairs, get a smile from our cashier. She'll get you out of here when she's got your money, and we'll dismiss the original charge. Yeah, if you don't get a smile, come back up and let me know. 350 gets a smile. I'm gonna guess Bingle is next.
Yep. Hearing on behalf of with those legal, you can tell me.
Good morning, ma'am.
Your Honor, can you take that second arraignment in this matter where you stand here? When a chance to pre-trial this case, we're going to execute a plea subject to court approval. In that agreement, Ms. Bingle would be pleading guilty to an added count of operating on visibly impaired, completely understanding the original charge would be.
All right. Ma'am, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch? Understood those rights? Understand the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for the charge? Added charge. Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today? You're doing this because it's best for you, not because he's trying to get out of here and go golf or something silly? Right? I said something silly.
Before you look at
August 17th, did you drive a vehicle in Belleville? Prior to driving, did you consume alcohol? Did you take a breath test or a blood test? Do you know the results?
initial.
Stipulate.
0.16.
All right. Are you satisfied that I've received the facts I need to accept this plea?
Yes, sir.
So am I. I'll dismiss the original charge, ma'am. I'm going to do two things now. I'm going to send you down to my probation department to schedule a pre-sentence interview. Did you tell her how that works?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you're going to schedule the interview. You'll find out when your sentencing date is, and I'm also going to put you on a personal bond. First two conditions are obvious conditions. No new charges and show up for the next court date. Third condition is do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood-altering substance unless you've got a doctor's script. Can you live with those rules? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you screw that up? Any questions? You sure? Go downstairs and listen for your name. Probation will call you up to the counter.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Can I give you the benefit? Do you give the benefit? No, you have to be sure. Yes.
I'm going to pronounce it Awalumar. How do you say it?
I think she's waiting for me.
Oh, you got Miss Medina's. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Have a seat, ma'am. Wow, this is a good deal. If I'm reading it right. Speeding, stop sign. Dismissal. Yeah. Did you warn Mr. Greco what was coming his way?
Not yet, but I will. Imagine that's kind of sliding in the side.
You think?
Oh,
Are you cold?
this just,
Seriously, I'm cold.
I'm gonna bump it up for you.
No, she's all right. I'll suffer.
Hey, can you, is Mariah with him? Hey, Tucker.
Yeah, hopefully you're not coming down.
No, I start my Thursday mornings in that restaurant, and it's always cold. So usually by the time I get here Thursday, and I had a hoodie on this morning. Usually I'm cold, and usually by 10 o'clock I warm up, but I haven't.
Hi. Not on Thursday. No, we never do it. Nope, they
Hmm?
voted that.
Sport quota. So maybe it's just because you gotta finish.
Uh-huh.
I'm almost to the point now where I'm not going anywhere without my puffy jacket.
Gotcha.
I went to that, I went to the Hall of Justice.
Didn't have to make a $50 payment. So it was, Jonathan Jones's guy.
I don't think I told him he had to make a payment. I think I told him he had to make a payment plan.
He was told he just had to make a payment plan.
Judge, we might have to factor in that old age might be a thing.
Oh, absolutely.
And then downstairs used to complain about.
Absolutely.
Okay, so you know.
Absolutely. Although I've never run hot. So
I'm right behind you. I guess I'm waiting for the day.
you want me to bring some of the people in and try to find out who the hell they are?
Called downstairs and they can,
They're dealing with it.
somebody's gonna jump on.
We didn't approve that much Zoom, did we? Did we have all those people? Did we know those people were coming in Zoom?
Some of them are just, observers for a case. Wayne County, oh, he's bringing back. John. Oh, we wearing Hopkins file?
Top. HOP.
Defense, you read that? I'm sorry, did you use the defense? Okay, very good. With email? Thank you.
Hopkins and who else?
Martin. Hopkins, I need this to adjourn. Martin should be on Zoom.
Is that Nicole?
I'm sorry.
Nicole Martin?
Yes. Martin, you can keep, because that one will be done eventually this one.
All right, go back. Can I get you anything now? It's anything wrong?
No, thank you.
Wow.
It's not on right in the walls.
It's gonna be nice.
He wants to stand.
If you do not, you have, you have to also free. Counselor, guys, maybe she comes. You want to try something? He got the best, he was talking more.
Yeah, we do. I just wanted to tell you this one. Hi, good morning, young lady.
Good morning.
Tonight, you know, this one, that there is an offer in the final, so we take the offer in there, and then we will adjourn it, because it just needs a clear information. Thank you. Appreciate it. So it's all-
Wait, Tony, you have Martin on?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Miss Martin, did you get to speak to an attorney?
Yes, please.
I'll give you one. You can let Jeff or Andrew or Crystal know. I'll find them.
Okay, you need one or the other, right?
With an offer.
Thanks, Leah. To the groups.
There was not an offer in there, she picked it up. You leave it out. Yes, okay. It's paperwork for each item short. Yeah, so.
This day is dragging.
Well, Rick came in here, but he told her to go work in some more.
Did we ever get any Tuesday night school meetings on my calendar?
I haven't met anything. I wondered the same thing, but Mrs. Frank, I think it is, she no longer does it.
No. You just got an email from Stacy King.
Dave, are you all set, or did you need something?
No, we've got Mr. Mamet's, we've got three
We're
cases
ready.
of his. Two of them are just civil infraction. One of them is a misdemeanor, Hildebrandt.
Mr. Hildebrand should be in the courtroom.
Are you Mr. Hildebrandt?
Yeah.
All right. I'm joining him about. The civil infractions, Mr. Mamet, we don't have to do those on record.
Right. So I can tell you what they are right now, Heather.
Well, one we're adjourning, David.
Right.
And I'm doing this on Hildebrandt.
So you let me know when you're ready, Heather, and I'll tell you what we're doing.
Yeah. Hildebrandt, do you want to step up to the podium, please?
Do we got a plea form yet?
Sorry.
Do we have a plea form?
I can write
Just
one
tell
up.
me. Go ahead. What is
Okay,
it,
so
Mr. Uncle?
on Hildebrandt, we're amending the charge of fail to stop and identify after a property damage accident to fail to report an accident.
Yep.
And we're amending the civil infraction improper passing to impeding traffic with a $200 fine.
Yeah, and is it all right with you if I only process one file and just hit him harder, $200 harder on that one file?
That's fine. That's fine.
I'm fine with that.
All right. All right, Mr. Hildebrandt, are you going forward today without benefit of an attorney?
On Zoom.
No, I am his attorney, Your Honor.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. Go ahead,
Yeah, I'm his
counsel.
attorney. Yeah, Stephen Mamet on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. Today's daytime set for pretrial in this arraignment pretrial in this matter, waive a formal reading of the charges, and stay on mute and proceed to the pretrial, Your Honor. I had a chance to speak with opposing counsel Greco. He's agreed to dismiss the original charges. In exchange, my client will be pleading guilty to one count of failure to report with an added, the court indicated, added $200 fine in exchange for the dismissal of all the civil infractions.
Thank you. Mr. Hildebrandt, did you discuss your rights and options with counsel today? Did you discuss your rights and options with your attorney? Did you understand all those? You understand the possible penalty for fail to report, the added charge?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily? Counsel, would you like to voir dire Mr. Hildebrandt to get me the facts to support the plea?
Sure. On the date and time
Showing
of
an
question,
incident date of April 21, counsel.
sure. On the date and time of question, were you in this jurisdiction of this court? Mr. Hildebrand?
Were you
Were
in
you
the
in the
city of
juris-
Romulus on April 21? Go ahead, counsel.
And in that time, were you involved in a motor vehicle accident? And did you fail to report that accident to police?
Yeah.
Okay. Is the court satisfied?
I'm satisfied if you are.
I am, Your Honor.
All right, I'll dismiss both the original charges. What should I consider before I set the terms of sentence?
Your Honor, this was just a lapse of judgment. He got scared and made a bad decision. He's apologetic. Obviously, he's been engaged with this firm since the beginning, and he feels bad, and we'd ask that you just assess fines.
Yep. Are you working, sir?
All work right now.
All right. Where are you employed?
Well, they're calling my grip, but it shut down.
How long were you there? Holy cow. And when did they shut down?
June.
All right. All right. Anything you want me to consider before I sentence you? All right. All right. As I said, I've dismissed the original charges, fines and costs on the added charge, $400. Can you pay that today?
Yes.
All right. If you go downstairs, they'll call you up to the front counter. The cashier will smile when she takes your money and get you out of here. Thank you,
Thank you, Your Honor.
counsel.
No, have a good day.
You're all set, sir. We're going to computer it downstairs.
Jeremy, she's waiting for me.
Heather, did Mr. Mamet log
Yeah.
off? All right, we did
Looks like
resolve his 2 civil infractions. Did we talk about them, or I was distracted?
Just write them up and I'll grab them from you.
Got him. Okay, I'll come in. I got him.
For you.
Jane, do you know his defendant's name? Oh, it's civil infraction.
He's at a civil infraction.
Did you give your?
What's your last name, man?
Right here. I think we're waiting for Medina.
Oh, yeah, I just, my notes, but I should remember. I think I can work off memory.
It's just a civil.
Yeah, it was just the act.
Are you coming in for Amani Iwaloma?
Yes,
Come on up here. Paperwork tells me, oh, your appearance.
Christopher Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Ms. Your Honor, with regard to the arraignment, we would waive formal reading and standing. You guys did have the opportunity to speak with my client. She is prepared to plead guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive as well as respond.
That's not what I got. Oh, that is what that is. Oh, the scribbles confuse me. Go ahead.
So yes, an allowing in the speed 6 to 10, it will take dismissal of the TWO, that's the open trucks and the original stop sign infraction.
Yep. All right. Ma'am, did you discuss your rights with her? Did you understand those rights and the options those rights give you? Did you understand, or do you understand the possible penalty for allowing an unlicensed driver to operate? Understanding all of these things, are you pleading guilty to that charge today? And are you doing so freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on August 9, 2025 while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor. My client now has a valid license. She is a student.
Awesome.
She
Beautiful.
campus, she's a full student. She's also seeking employment. Your Honor, probably part-time employment, right, given her school.
Yep.
That is her current status, Judge. I would ask that the court impose fines and costs.
What are you studying? Good for you. Good. Oh, you're getting there then. You're getting there. How's it going? Good for you. Good for you. All right. You still got family in Romulus?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Anything you want me to consider before I sentence you? There's no magic answer. I'm just giving you a chance. Okay. All right. All right. And your license is reinstated. Okay. All right. So I've dismissed the original charges on the 6 to 10 speeding ticket. Fines and costs are $200. On the allow unlicensed driver to operate, the total on that file is $300 and 3 days on the court work program. We assess work program as an alternative to jail. You pick which 3 days you're scheduled. So hopefully you can work that around your school schedule. All right. So that's $500 total. Can you pay that today, or you need to set something up? Do that downstairs. Any questions? Everything downstairs. Good luck in school.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Oh, Jeremy. You don't believe you don't know?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day, Murray.
Thank you, Judge.
Good mail, as well as 51 now. I guess your agency would just mail you one. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.
Well, so I guess this thing with Ashland was a little bit more formal than I thought, because I got a text from a buddy of mine said that his daughter's coming into the law class, criminal law class.
Well, you know, they were gonna, is he here?
Yeah.
Because they were gonna come in, during a probation day. Emily had set that up, that they were just thinking about someday, but I mean, if they don't come in soon, they're gonna, we don't have
See
anything.
much.
Good.
And Ashton should know that, you would think.
Because you had the, not the Zoom trial at 3 today. The whole judge.
Yeah, and that, I wanted to talk to you, Fred, about that, because from 1 to 3, there's like sessions for the cops that I'm invited to listen in on. And then at 3, they start the informal trials, and at 5, then they, comments from me and the attorneys. But I'm thinking I might want to join on Zoom on one of the iPads, so I can just listen to what's going on while I do on base or whatever else I'm gonna do. And then I gotta get set up on Zoom at 3. Like Mariah's buying on
Because I had asked for somebody to do those,
phone.
Yeah.
It's just sitting with what, something like that.
yeah, something like that, and then like, oh, I've got to be there, and then I can hear followers, these guys.
He's trying to stare me down.
Hey, do you have a formal hearing date for a bell? I have to adjourn it to you guys. Okay, yep, thank you.
So I sent Stacy King a message asking for dates.
Days. Oh, okay.
Light is on, so yeah, my fear is they've set dates and they just didn't tell us about it.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Yeah, Granny is now the librarian, obviously. She needed something that she could count on, whereas this liaison stuff is like a grant, so they don't know.
Kind of like the DV thing, that's a
Yeah,
grant.
exactly, yeah. And then Futch called me. And he said he had taken a job where he can work from home because he's taking care of his mother. That's why they're hiring two.
Yesterday, so the village was not on people, which was super, super nice. And we went over to the Eagle Tavern because I told Scott, so we walked around and I want to sit there and show you the drinks that they have. Well, we get there and there's 3 of the like waiters, or whatever, sitting outside, and I'm like, can we go in just to the bar? Sorry, I'm not a bartender today. I'm like, can't you figure out how to make it? I go, you're drinking something right now. And he's like, no, we can't do it. It has to be a bartender. So we didn't get anything, because I think that those were just the
And
needed.
it sounded like somebody just didn't show up for work. That's what it sounded like.
Yeah, but, other than that, whenever we were like driving home and everything, do people not work anymore? It was like we were in rush hour traffic. The whole expressway, the whole Telegraph Road.
Shannon said, so how was the session yesterday? I said, honestly, I'm not sure it was worth all the effort I took to get there. So it started at 9, 8:30 registration. So I figured I'll leave the house before 7:30. I'll get there before 9, right? It's like an hour and a half.
Yeah.
Should be plenty of time, because when I used to go to the state bar, which is pretty close, I used to figure an hour, 15 minutes and I'd get there. So
Nobody's on the road.
at 7:20, might have been a little after that. I'm in my driveway, literally getting ready to pull off, and my phone rings. It's TBG. She said, where are you at? I said, I'm just getting ready to leave. She's, oh my God. She said, I left my house at 6:50 because I wanted to make sure I was there at 8:30 because she was one of the presenters. Two people present. She said, I'm on 275 parked. I haven't even made it to 14 yet. Half hours.
And it's at 6:50 in the morning?
No, she left at 6:50. It's now about 7:20. So she's been on the road for a half hour and hasn't even made it past there. I said, well, I guess I won't get on 275. So I went 94, thinking 94 to 23, 23 to 96, and away I go, right?
Mm-hmm.
23 was so bad that I got off before, I mean, I just barely got on 23. As soon as the soul was going up, I got off. I took Whitmore Lake Road all the way up to 96.
Yeah.
Two parking lots on 96. Then when I parked in the directions, they said 96 to 127 to 496 to MLK Boulevard. That's all under construction. I had to go past 496 from back on 127 to get off on 496. So then I get to the parking lot, they tell me.
Last name of Henry.
Call, you're not at the visitor lot, you're at the Palumbo. I finally walked in the building at 9:37.
Wow. What's the last name?
Henry, first of all, you remember?
Yes.
Go ahead, Ms. Medina.
Crystal Marie Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Ms. Henry, with regard to the arraignment, we would waive formal readings, and you, Ms. Henry, please say your full name for the record.
Renee.
Thank you, ma'am.
Your Honor, Ms. Henry is prepared to plead responsible to Dancy without a license with a fine of $200 in exchange for malicious destruction of property charge would be dismissed, and your Henry would need an opportunity to pay. She would be able to set up a payment at the first floor, Your Honor.
Okay.
On the first floor.
All right, Miss Henry, is that the way you want to resolve these issues today? All right, find the cost as agreed, $200. Go downstairs. They'll talk to you about your options.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome very much. So then I'm coming home. And it was like probably 3-ish. Northbound 23 either still was a parking lot or was a parking lot again. So yeah, there's just too damn many people on the road and too much construction.
Mm-hmm. It was just rush hour traffic everywhere. So that's like, I remember when you used to, like, in the middle of the day, you would want to go somewhere because the roads were open.
Right.
Now it's just everybody's working from home.
So change of topic. Have you guys eaten at the Avenue in Wayne? It's actually, I think it's the Avenue Bistro or something like that, but it's between East and Westbound Michigan, west of Wayne Road. Next time you guys want to treat yourselves, because it's not cheap, sandwich I had was $17. But the food is absolutely phenomenal.
Yep.
Yep,
And what city is it?
Wayne.
So you pick Wayne Road up.
Yeah, if you're going Wayne Road, just going north, and you pass eastbound Michigan, before you get to westbound, you gotta jump in that area
Yeah.
between the two. If you go in there and go, just go, west.
Over by like Pizza Hut, where Pizza Hut used to be.
Yeah, it's a huge restaurant.
Yes, it is.
Food is phenomenal.
Your Honor, may we approach with your wisdom and guidance, which I hope to be counting on for many years in the future?
Guidance, I can guarantee, guys.
We gotta talk about something private.
Not sure I can guarantee with.
The one that Vanessa wanted you to speak to,
I didn't know, she-
the compliance guy that can't do recording.
I didn't know anything about it. Go ahead.
He's on.
We're not.
Yeah, I can mute him.
Yeah.
He doesn't hear my button.
Are you? Oh, I just. All right.
I'm on another traffic court zone meter. That's why I stepped out. You're on.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right, good morning. All right, Mr. Vargo, I've got a file, incident date July 17, 2025. Failed to display a valid license, sentenced on August 28 to 4 days on the court work program. I understand that's a problem for you.
Yeah, I mean, it's a problem, but I have a solution as well. Sure.
All right, where are you working in?
Where am I working? I'm working downtown Detroit. Are you talking about the community service or are you talking
No, I mean,
about?
where are you? You got a safety vest on. I'm assuming you're at work. Where are you employed?
No, I'm at court right now. I'm working
okay.
for America Park though. Like I slept 2 hours.
Okay,
I'm in court for a traffic violation.
okay. And did you say, all right, I'm having trouble hearing you for some reason, but you have a job, right? Go ahead.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Oh, much better. Thank you. So you have a job. You're employed somewhere, right?
Yes.
Yep. All right. Who are you employed by?
It's called SMS Solutions.
What do they do?
Basically I'm like a cleaner right now.
Okay. All right. And what kind of shift do you work?
Graveyard shift. It's horrible.
So what you go
It's
in?
anywhere between second shift and third shift.
Okay. So what's that look like? When are you usually done working? What time you clock out?
Today I clocked out at 5:30 in the morning, 6 a.m. in the morning.
Okay. All right. So what's the problem with you doing the work program that was ordered?
So my job is in Detroit. I get a ride to my job. I stay probably like 40, anywhere between 30 to 40 minutes, depending on if I'm at my girlfriend's house or if I'm at my family's house. It's really just my ride and stuff like that.
All right. So you're living in Detroit and it's transportation issue to get out here to Romulus. Is that the problem?
Yeah, yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
That's why I was trying to, that's why I presented to the court. I actually had my counselor call. I'm doing community service through my counselor center where I clean up around the building, restock stuff, help with paperwork.
Where are you counseling at?
It's called the Detroit Recovery Project. It's on West Grand Boulevard. In
Yep.
Detroit.
I'm familiar. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And I already have 210 hours to do. I think I completed 50 or so or whatever. I was just trying to see if you could apply my hours or days, however you see fit.
I'm not going to let you double dip. That's the problem.
Okay. Okay.
Is what's the status of your license?
It further got suspended when we went to court that day. It got suspended for another.
So
30
when,
days.
if you know, when are you eligible for reinstatement of driving privileges?
Maybe like anywhere between 25 to 30 days, probably about a month out.
So by Christmas time, you should have a driver's license. Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah. Yes.
All right. So once you have a driver's license, is your transportation issue going to be at least partially resolved?
It should be. I should have insurance and tags.
All right. So why don't we do this? Why don't we just have you reschedule your work days so they start after December 1, when you don't have to rely on somebody else to transport your butt out here 4 days?
Okay.
Is that doable?
Yeah. Yes. Let's
All
do it.
right. And you think, and if you get your license straight before December 1 and you want to get the days done, then ask us to schedule them earlier than you had them. You follow me?
Yes.
All right. Any questions?
Nope.
All right. Are you noting that in your RLA? Okay. All right. Good luck.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Simmons, come on up. All right, Mr. Simmons, you are here today for 2 charges. Impeding traffic and drove without a valid license. The prosecutor tells me that based on the actions you've already taken, he will dismiss both the original charges if you plead responsible to double parking and agree to pay fines at cost of $180. Is that the way you want to resolve this today? All right. Simmons, Simmons. That's not on your docket. Thank you. All right. And I understand you either are in some kind of driving school. Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Bowditch. I'm sorry. You're in some school or you've taken a class? You're done with this class? So what's the next step to a driver's license? All right. And refresh my memory. Where are you going to school? Senior this year? Junior? What's your cumulative GPA? Have you and I already had the grade point discussion? All right. 2.8. I'm going to guess it should probably be more like a 3.5 if you were applying yourself 100% to school academics. Okay. Mom, what do you think he's capable of grade point wise?
I will say
Better than a 2.8? Okay. All right. What do you want to do after high school, Mr. Simmons? I'm sorry, license to truck driver? All right. And the 180, can you pay it today?
Yeah.
I'll wait for his money. No, seriously, I'll put him on a payment plan. What's it? Because you didn't do this. He did this. All right. I mean, do you have some source of income that you can make payments if you commit to payments? You've been working. Yeah. All right. So go downstairs and make a payment plan. So much a week, bi-weekly, monthly, whatever. I don't care. It's just regular payments. Both original charges are dismissed. Good luck in school this year. All right. Have a nice day. You're welcome so much. Sorry. Payment plan.
I put it, and that's the.
That's the way I did it. Yep. Yeah, the purple file, I just wrote dismissed across, but the paperwork's on top. Are you on Davis Harbor?
What is it? Was Morgan Measy or something?
You're on full record. Kevin Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with J.D. Barbara Davis. True. Tell the judge you need the prayer.
Johnny Davis Harvey.
Good morning.
Your Honor, today's date time set for ranging in this fact with full agreement standing. Also had a chance to pre-try this case. We have an executed plea agreement subject to court. An agreement. Ms. Harper. Guilty to a charge of being a disorderly person, if you understand, I'm taken under statute 771 for a period of 12 months. If Ms. Davis Harper applies on all the court's issues, no trouble at that time in court, and consider this a dismissal. And she's going to be responsible for being. And we want to assess time on it.
All right, I don't have anything in here about a delayed sentence. So what was the agreement about delayed sentence?
The disorderly person will be taken under 771 for a period of 12 months.
12 months. No, that's okay. All right, so I'll accept that with one change. I'm not going to take a plea to impeding traffic just to get $180 extra. I'll just charge her more on the misdemeanor, so there's only one file to process on the dispositions. Understood? Is that all right with you, ma'am? Same thing to you. We're getting in your pocket a little heavier, but it's just less work for the my secretary. All right. All right. And did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch today? Did you understand those rights and the options they give you? And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge of disorderly person?
Yeah.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the charge? Mr. Bowditch, my incident date is August 8. If you can give me the facts I need.
Sure. Okay, Steve. We driving in the city of Drums.
Yes.
Were you pulled over by a policeman? And at that time, while we were involved with a police officer, did you find yourself getting a little bit high?
Yes.
I'll accept the plea. I'll dismiss all the original charges. What should I consider before I sentence?
Your Honor, poor choice on that one given evening. This child is no problem to anyone and won't be in.
No prior criminal. Yeah. Working?
Yes.
Where at?
Even left in the Delta Airport and I also work as advertising.
Okay. So how many hours a week are you working? Both jobs combined? Roughly. Okay. All right. Anything else? Anything else you want me to consider? Okay. All right. All right. I think I already said it, dismiss all the original charges. I'll delay sentence for 12 months. During that time period, you stay out of trouble, no new criminal charges. I'm assessing $500 court costs and 3 days on the court work program. Can you pay the money today or do you need some options? You can set up or talk about your options downstairs. Work program is assessed, either one, as an alternative to jail. You pick which 3 days you work. You can do that downstairs as well. Any questions? Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. We're gonna wait for Ms. Medina on that one.
Expert, it's just an adjournment. Let's go on record, prosecute.
All right. Derek Hamlin. Good morning, sir. Counselor, did you want to say something on the Hamlin matter?
It's not mine, Your Honor.
Oh, it's Greco.
Up to the jury.
All right. Is he in a breakout?
Yeah, we bring him in. I mean, he didn't break up.
I don't know. Jamie thought the prosecutor wanted to talk about this adjournment. Understand, we do not have an attorney on record for you. Your attorney's got to file what we call an appearance, just to say, hey, I'm the attorney. All right. So I just want to know what the prosecutor has to say, and then we'll give you a date. Mr. Greco. I already forgot his name. Hamlin?
Hamlin.
Mr. Greco, did you have something you wanted to say on the Hamlin matter before we give an adjourned pretrial date?
No, the court officer, Jamie, just came and asked me. I said, no, it's just an adjournment. He has his own retained attorney.
That's fine. Thank you. All right. You're ready whenever?
Yeah.
Okay. She'll get you a date. When they're going to be?
October 20th. 10:30.
That work? October 20?
You'll be guys. You can just take a seat and I'll get.
Mr. Bowditch, what do you have?
Oh, you already have first?
Yep.
Tragedy in their family. This young lady just lost her younger brother tragically.
Oh, good God.
And they were wondering if she could do some community service instead of the work program.
Let's see if I got a file still.
Is there a leader?
Yeah, we're waiting for the dean to get the file to get us when I was actually in that.
Is there a leader here?
Here, yes.
Jeff? I gotta make sure I got the right file. I'll do 40 hours community service. You want to do it on the record or just have her? You just tell her.
I'll just tell us.
Let's do that by December 1.
What's happening is that we're going to do
40 hours instead of 3 days. It's depends on one due date. Sorry about your brother. I want those 40 hours completed by December 1. Doable? All right, we've got a list downstairs if you want to grab it. So you don't have to find someplace on your own. All right, good luck. Are we ready on Lear?
We are ready, Your Honor.
Appearances, please.
And Crystal Marie Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Ms. Lear. Your Honor, Ms. Lear is not at this time. We do have the father here, Your Honor, which is her legal guardian. I have reviewed that paperwork, Your Honor. I'm confirming that we would be requesting an adjournment, Your Honor, to a Zoom date that may allow Ms. Lear to appear.
How far out do we want to go?
See, just like a month right now, sir. I mean, Your Honor, because we are going to kind of touch base then and see where we're at. Mr. Lear will be providing us some medical information with regards to his daughter that may be relevant to what we're trying to accomplish here, Your Honor.
That is accurate.
Thank you, Ms. Foster.
October 20th at 10:40.
Sounds good to me. It's on Zoom right
Does that
now.
work?
Okay, it's next, it's gonna be October 16th.
Okay,
Is that all right?
Do 10:50.
perfect. Zoom, so I will, wherever I am, I'll be here. Okay?
I'm sorry, what time did you do that?
10:50.
Thank you. I'll make a note, Zoom.
And sir, you have an email with some information, okay? All right, thank you.
Good luck, Dad.
Thank you for your time. Okay, thanks.
I've got a plea agreement. Hugo Palacios? No attorney? Okay. All right, come on up. Are you going forward today without a court-appointed attorney? You want to talk to the attorney? To be honest with you, with this plea agreement, I don't think it's going to change a thing. Okay, so you made a deal with the prosecutor that you're going to plead responsible to double parking. You've agreed to pay $200 fines and costs, and both charges from June 8 would be dismissed. Is that the way you want to resolve this? Can you pay the $200 today? Go downstairs and see our cashier. We'll get you out of here as soon as we can. You're welcome. The original charges are dismissed. You're welcome. I'll do the double parking on the B. Oh, boy.
He's like, they should have something about it.
Here, I can park. You think it's over here? My eyes are big.
So I'm reading. 50. Big word.
Of course, when you change some of that stuff, you only do it, you know. Man, this dock is just dragging.
So on Zoom, you have Nicole Martin, Deshaunda Stevenson, and Dirk Ross.
Are you talking to me here or Medina? I'm sorry.
If you want to grab their file, Ross and Stevenson are already checked in.
Steed, S-T?
Yeah, Steveson. Stevenson. Should be Steve. What is it?
Stevenson?
Should be Stevenson. Okay.
Shauna?
Yeah. And then Green, Kelsey Green.
Yep. I've got a file that Jamie's got set off to the side. Nicole Martin.
You set it to the side, she's the other.
Oh, so we're waiting for them to do something.
Michael.
Michael?
Lawrence, Michael.
Oh, it's civil infraction. I don't have it.
No, okay.
All right.
It was never a misdemeanor?
Nope.
What was the original charge? You know?
Disobey traffic signal.
Oh, perfect. Then, we just have her dispo it out.
Yeah, send him down to the counter and they'll call him up.
And then they pay.
No, very cheap. This one on the computer.
Jamie brought it. That's fine.
You don't screw that one. Adjournment for you pre-trial and Charles.
Did the prosecutor keep the file?
I think I never gave him a file, did I?
Yeah, I think so. You didn't keep the file. This was
That's in my file.
the W file that was in the wrong call file.
How about it?
There was.
They needs a file.
Again.
You got the file?
Adjournment for a new pre-trial. It was in German earlier. We didn't like that idea, so I'm on the zone against.
Oh, it's Mackle. I'm trying to find Michael. It's Mackle.
Here comes your party, but. Here's next. Yeah, I can listen. I don't work with she by space. She's how they doing, guys?
Good. How are you going? How's school going?
Yeah.
Good.
Well, we had to come in to a court today, so I was, might as well just come in here. So.
Awesome. Beautiful. Beautiful. So Mr. Mackle's downstairs waiting for cashiers.
So I need to get you the fence. Okay. She was great, we just. You. Next work meeting is October 20th at 10 a.m. No, yes, it is. I'm just. I was showing you. Well, pretty much, well, ID numbers in. Open up GC.
If we, we look at the bottom, he wants.
It's like you send me. All right, see what else we can get done. So, you got a box. Also, most lines. But I think that's this. You got it. Good.
You got it? That was your last one?
Yeah, got it all. So, and I think everything else before that was like, I second one.
Can you check with them that they don't have any valve all right?
I just checked with the audience.
Okay.
That you should be good. So.
Okay, then you were good.
All right, and then next month is,
It's just the violations.
Yep.
Yep, and,
well, also, so.
well, you'll have Judge Martin, but those are on Zoom, yeah,
Yep.
but I will see you October 21st within the other meeting.
Kevin, excuse me, Kevin.
Yes.
Do we have any, cross steps today?
Oh, that, we might. We do, but I have to go talk to Dave, because I know he kept talking about it, I don't think it's
Okay.
gonna happen.
So most of them. We go out, she's not.
You won that?
Some. So that was.
Put your caps on. You ever really work in trucking?
No, I'm not.
You have any idea what their felony day is down there? I think it's Monday.
Yes, he will. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. You still.
Never look well before, right? We have a problem. Smart area. Yeah, a lot.
Yeah, we, I feel like the board, people.
Red Fair education system, yeah. Please.
Yeah, it should.
I'm talking next week. I'll see you next week.
Yeah.
So nothing. Thanks for it. Appreciate it. I called that barber the day before. I called her. Hey, right, yeah, no, of course, I had a comment on. So, well, she's a she. Oh, this is. Well, let's do that. What do you know?
Here, like, football. I'm reading to say in law. As of right now, no mesh trials is still going on here, because I just.
I think it's not.
Stay in law, like.
$5. That was stocks for the. So it's not, that's not investment. So it's not that.
I saw before, but. I don't know.
Prices. Big. It's got age or something. All you know, lost it for something. So that's.
Yeah.
Yeah, he must be your law school, she's not 30. It was really, he's in her eye, he's in her study, he's law. Older baby, I'm not going to issue, the law miles. Some law school for you. Well, yeah, let's do it.
I have two things, and I don't.
The third, yeah, separate. The engines, every time I'm assuming you figure out what the kind of foundation. is.
Yeah.
So I see it where all it's happening. Machine wants to all very long. But yeah, you gotta look foundation because you guys are probably for the show. You want me to do it.
Yeah.
Right? I use something with one very old that you see else, like you should foundation.
Oh, not house.
Same. So. Membership before. All of some now I'm from see. Oh, right. Support me. Well, what you have a question on your guess. They all take you. That's the question.
Be my guy. Oh, yeah. Ma'am, what is your name? Cynthia. Oh, yours is dismissed. It's dismissed. You're all set. You can leave. Thank you.
Just hire me, so you have something.
No, it's, yeah, it's, but it's, I don't.
Off that. Okay, Russ, you understand, you're not all there, so but you have to figure out how it is. When the ball here. If your career, satisfaction, you can say, it's not, it's a profession.
Husband, I was to pull three, but you don't grab a book. So I was 13, second time when I did the stuff, you know, my mom was. Half the breeds, but not even, see, it's scripted, and they don't believe, that must be, now, it's not the word, you go into, but also, but never, that always use that. Think of, so. Yeah, this is why maybe that's pushing with it, because that's pushing. Somebody, you know, and people share that, and then I was living with them, I'm saying it. Oh, we should share that. Different, you know, holding period is original. It's the almost say percent machine, because what's keeping you there, but really it's your job. Anyways, but just after 9 years. I never no, instead of slowing down my work, and then instead of trying something else, I'm just going to do my best on my own. So don't touch my fish. There's a little fucking anything. Nobody, all the young people don't touch this. Oh, this should be like trying to send it all. So we find it all. I paperwork. See physical. So this offensive sound, you can take him on and maybe wrong with that. Yeah, I'm talking to 2 days. I'm starting. Judge Santo told me she's in the top. So that, yeah, these are good. I'm that line for years. Anyways, so what is this one? Oh, we gotta go on the record, it's the joke.
Yeah.
Wow. Do you want me to go ahead and go like 1 or 2 more on Zoom and then come back?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay, because, and if you could put me, are you controlling Zoom or?
Kind of, yeah.
Because I can't move around because I'm on a phone. Sorry. Can you put me with the next person?
Yep, I will.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Handle that, and then I'll come back and check in again.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello. Yeah, she's gonna put him in, I was gonna put him in the middle. Or in the main session. All right, thank you very much. Yep. I can go let him know, but I know he's handling people that are in person. We always put the Zoom people last. All right, bye.
Okay. Don't go to. No, yeah, I'm just don't think I would be, there's some time, something like that's why I came here. I have someone paid also. If I have days off, so what? It was. But she worked on spots of. She came back. Well, fine for me, huh? You're marking it off the flip?
Anything else?
Just saying, I'll give you a potato chip. Don't we have it?
When I can get back to my all the files.
Judge, I mean, Boston.
Well, this. Oh, you want.
What do you got?
I have Mr. Casey. Richard Feaster.
All right, Mr. Feaster, come on up.
Yeah. It's easy. Sir, tell the judge. Tell the judge me.
Richard Feaster.
Good morning, sir.
On today's date, time set for a retrial in this matter. Now the prosecution met with Feaster, got an executed plea agreement, which Mr. Feaster would be going to do and gave a disorderly person. Standing by the 771 for the period of 6 months. Mr. Feaster stays out of trouble, complies with all the court's wishes. This matter will be considered for dismissal at that time. And I think right after that, he's going in the middle.
Where at? What branch? Oh, man, you're not gonna like the hair. I mean, I like the hair, don't get me wrong.
So about all of it, cut hair.
Yeah. You know what? Just start getting haircuts so it's not such a big shock to your system to lose it all at once.
It's gonna look like mine when you get on that ship.
All right, Mr. Feaster, did you talk to Mr. Bowditch about your rights and the options those rights give you? Understood those? And do you understand the possible penalty for this charge? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the charge today? Mr. Bowditch, would you void your June 24 incident date?
On June 24th. City of Rockville. Was there an incident that happened in the apartment complex? Were you present at that incident? At that point, sir, Mr. Feaster, while that crowd was gathering, did you get a little loud? Yes. That's satisfying.
I'll accept the plea and dismiss the original charge. What should I know about Mr. Feaster other than his Navy plans?
This apartment complex, wrong place, wrong.
You're working, Mr. Feaster? Kind of, sort of. What does that mean? Okay, what's your uncle do? Okay. Have you ever had a job where you had a schedule and payroll withholdings and that kind of stuff? When? Where? Okay, so where was the last time you had what I call a real job? Okay. Anything else you want me to consider before I set the terms? All right, I'll go along with the prosecutor's recommendation. I will delay sentence for 6 months. During that time period, you stay out of trouble, no new criminal offenses. I'm assessing 3 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail and court costs of $350. Can you pay the $350 today? All right, go downstairs, talk about your options. You can set up a payment plan or a due date, and they'll schedule your 3 days on the work program. Any questions? Good luck.
Why's Marilyn involved in this? Oh, she wasn't a attorney? No.
No, she was probably covering for Dave all the time.
Okay. Is anybody representing Mr. Kaufman? I don't think so. He signed up for the prosecutor by himself.
Yeah, just make the ROI show this the last time. We got.
Yeah, Miss Lawson.
Good morning, Ms. Lawson. Go ahead.
Hi, my name is Chloe Lawson.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's date facts of arraignment. With the stand, you also had a chance to pre-try this case. We have executed the plea agreement. So, in that agreement, Ms. Lawson to be pleaded guilty to the handicap of allowing an unlicensed private driver of a car.
Thank you.
Charge would be dismissed. She is enjoying the mercy of this because she's paid off all her tickets and that's her full license back.
Reinstated. Good job. Awesome. Legal driver. Beautiful. All right. Did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch today?
Yes.
Understood those rights and the options presented?
Yes.
You understand the possible penalty for the added charge?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to that charge?
Yes.
July 5, 2025, did you drive a vehicle in Romulus while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? I'm satisfied. All right. I will accept your plea. I'll dismiss the original charge. License is reinstated. Are you working, ma'am? Good. Good. How long you been with the city of Detroit? Okay, great. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you?
No, thank you.
You're welcome.
So you would find this, God.
All of this is beautiful. We worked together.
All right. Miss Lawson. Fines and costs on your file, $550. I'm assessing 3 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. You pick which 3 days you work. Can you pay the $550 today, or do you need to talk options downstairs? They'll schedule your days on the work program as well. Any questions? Have a lovely day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Who's talking to Martin on Zoom?
It was Medina. They had a plea worked out. I can bring Medina in.
Okay. Well, I'm done until somebody comes in. You waiting for an attorney, sir?
No.
You're waiting for her to give you a piece of paper.
Where is it?
Yep.
Do business.
Perfect, where am I notes? Oh, where am I? Somewhere, the notes or something. I can't keep all of them, because I'm so organizing, so do that. After time. I can take her, and then I put it in a vessel, and then I'll do the other young man on Zoom, I'm trying to kind of, and do. Somebody asked me. Yes, Your Honor, I was just asked if I eat, them. But we don't keep it.
Human copy.
Not quite the same effect. All right, are you ready on Tiffany Hemingway?
Yes. Where is she? Give me 1 second.
I don't need her if you don't want her for dismissal.
There. The first one, we have, I am actually sending the attorney of record, this was a violent free trial, I believe there's dismissal in the file.
Done.
And I think expenditure was without prejudice.
How about Nicole Martin? Miss Martin, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Just state your name for Miss Medina.
Nicole Martin.
Thank you. Go ahead, Counsel.
If they stand with asset, be satisfied, Judge. My client is presumed to be guilty to driving while license suspended, revoked, or denied. I believe it's charge.
Yes.
Charge, Your Honor, in exchange in 2019, offense would be dismissed. I have advised her the 2 points of the driving record. My understanding, Your Honor, the only thing requested is she had police contact. She was given a $200 bond. She has not posted it with the intent that she wants to make sure the public court address this, and she's been frustrated for approximately 18. Ask that the court consider that. She maintains residence. She has a daughter that she's responsible for, and she hopes to return to her job in a nursing home.
Thank you. And Ms. Martin, do you understand your rights and options after discussing those with Miss Medina?
Yes.
You understand the possible penalty for the charge of drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes, sir.
Are you pleading guilty to that charge today?
Yes.
Are you doing so freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
April 19, 2018, did you drive a vehicle in the city of Romulus while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes.
I will accept your plea to that charge. I will dismiss the other charge of drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied. I am going to sentence you to 18 days in jail, credit for time served, and close your file. Understood?
Yes.
All right. So you've also got a whole bunch of files you owe us money on. You're at a balance of over $2,000. What I want you to do is come in here in person and talk about what your options are. We've got a number of options so you can close these out so you can get your license straightened out eventually.
Yes, that's my plan, ASAP.
All right. All right. Any questions?
No.
All right. Good luck.
Thank you.
And one dismissal.
Yeah, nobody else at the jail. I can close the jail out. What do you got ready?
Dismissal.
Peters, got it right in front of me. Your appearance for Christian Peters.
Crystal Marie, Ms. Hina, Your Honor, on behalf of Ms. Peters, please state your full name for the record. Christian Peters. Your Honor, at this time, it's a final pre-trial. My understanding is that you were moved to dismiss and I have experienced my client with a dismissal without prejudice.
All right, with you if I dismiss it? Goodbye.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Business.
Judge, what was that? This is. What's that last one I discussed? What was the charge?
The Davis one was no, are you guys talking about when he called that you heard? Peters or just?
That they just.
One of your
walking on.
She had an assault and battery.
Oh, yeah, that, because it's a, retrial, quite often they do, set, retrial seat, the complaints actually show up. If the complaint doesn't want to push back, show up, according to the prosecutor, he doesn't see it going. It says, like, the trial, and have, but I'm not sure, right?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm not going to be application.
Quite often, it's, pretty.
Yeah, yeah, thank you so much, Paul. Bye.
Is the patterns of all the cops of the people.
Yeah.
CPD.
Dog working.
Basically.
Here, the dog barking. All right, goodbye.
You know, the rest of the product.
I already know it's not enough. I think it was so beautiful.
Yeah. I was under that issue for probably 3 or 4 years. Michigan State Bar was on a fire truck. It was no student bar that the last machine charge would lock out, like instance, that tried to get back in the day. Necessarily, that's necessarily happening. It was antibiotic. So sometime in the code, you know, these different change the law. Literally, you should also start law and a little high profile things on that without a lawsuit. We have received them sometimes. Got a lot to report that. This is 0. Scatter rate. I don't know. And change it somehow since then. That I have 5 years experience of having this be running. Or build. This can be a really good sheet. That's so fun against us. Like bonds and not me. All the time that quote. It's not a soldier to get back on the shades where we get to both and we what well, I'm always possessing to be said. It used to be most questions. Everything's in for 30 minutes. That's like everybody should think out and the files. What I did, what I just say, all the judges, yeah. So, I mean, I'm sure somewhere somebody needs some versions for the plot, but you don't get. That's okay. This almost percentage of the population that expect the system. Some portion of the people people all around, we're looking at second floors, they walk around and trying to take a break. But they never get break from it. Right? I can't tell you how many times the nurse can so what's we just sit up because then feels good. She looked at me then one day, she, oh my God, yeah, I got to get out of it. She informed me back. She had to tell her, sure. She put her shirt out, she's going into that. Yeah, this is how she kind of, and she's not in that. And she, you know, it's oh, you know, the guy down the road talking, but real, but it's just, and the alarm lines, Most people, but most people, well, they're in this, they might get the same book answer on the street, that might be not. But most people, it's done self-preservation. Oh, this is, don't feel me, look at it. Oh, well, when they're sitting in the car, when they're laying on the, right, if these don't have that same sense of, I'm gonna have everything to do, the game for the right thing. Right, because, you know, if I wasn't there, I see how people are some more from that thing, one quick here. You know, you're off the range of that. I can say one more time, and then it won't be done. Tell the world, you know, wait. Good. I heard that I'm going to buy it with the leader. Oh, but she's which one? So what might definitely look risky, guys. Studies, seriously, studies show it doesn't have enough to get more of this. Often, if I'm just in one line, man, it doesn't. Before I have to say, you make one line, you want to. Yeah, it's one thing that might be else. But I told only council. But council is something that I'm sure I'll take from the rest of the possible. That's something. You have a lot of bonds. Having to keep their health and bonds. And I've got to be healthy, but well, really, it's the figure. I didn't know. I would process. I did pretty much. Most part, I at least have. I don't handle insurance cases as a lawyer. But I have a real good understanding of what happened here. But this is why I'm talking off to do these. I'm done. But yeah, I'm just literally functioning. Absolutely, I think. I'm not super senior. But they're obviously not. That's a good topic. That's the issue. Then you sound like a lot of this also. I mean, she got all this. Even if it's not even ridiculous, you know. One is 90,000. One is still 2,000. That I want to be 13,000. One payment. So, one because that's why some souls, but these should be something our faces. People in the office, you know, well, that often, you know, and when it's on the building, maybe it's a spiritual that was in the office, no matter what. So he had this really turned around, he got a lot of other lot. Black and which is the building. So my name, I'm going to ask him to speak in the middle of the fire, consistent of the office. When I said something, I would, what about these assignments? Well, I'd be ready to speak. Oh, no, if I'm that guy, the one I said, walking to where go. Office, we say, and this just well, everybody also so what has so the city, but I'm going to go for a while. go up to the regular cycle, you'll fall out sleeping in the book. That's not good. Science, you go off sleep. Don't forget, we should some music, no balls, they go for it. So you have with you. It was not awful. I didn't want to hear about it. I had a zone media of psychology, no buses, it was all buses, I have it on the car. And the dog, we let the guy get dog, all of it. And, she said, still be worried. Not okay, lost her mind.
Well, we're on.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah, go to court, get it for you, you're pretty this cover, but so we have a specific, yeah, over to your, no, that's all safe. If you, in any area, yeah.
Especially if you talk a little more. Here's the problem. I think it's a problem. Here's the truth of it. I have friends really from that, still believe in it. So I go out to Hollywood with the that's awesome. They saw it on the days. That had no story to get snagged.
Where's Judge Oakley's live? Because I just found out that Judge's name is October 1st, not October 8th. I sent out the flyer after approval from our president. And based on the meeting minutes that said it was October 8th. And he's like, nope, it's the first Monday. So I'm Wednesday. So it's October 1st.
Did you send all those out?
Yeah. Well, I sent out an email based on our minutes that said October 8th. It's normally the first Wednesday, but I thought maybe because it was Judge's night. I don't know. I went based on our minutes. Now we're gonna have to send out a correction. I need that.
Oh, you're doing it.
Yeah.
So,
If I had my.
oh, because you're on the board for the donor.
Mm-hmm. I'm secretary,
Yeah.
but that's based on the minutes
What you're hearing.
that I was about to
Or
be.
you have something that you have to like, you don't know, and then you don't. You guys. Like she's, I got, I would, don't do this. Spending stuff with the mom taking care of her together when they're very old. Whereas you some fishy, I have to see you doing it. You know, I know this access on it. I'll see her. You can be a small, you could have. You doesn't want to. So this is what I want to do. That's also the guys are the one you saw. So you want to have another. I all get it. Every time we do, you get something else. Learn more than all access. Oh, well, we really. So you can about.
So part rates, groups.
Okay, where's probably?
Um,
Do you know when
you might know. I.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's so.
It looks.
Yeah, so our class is going to be, so the day you guys are there for.
Yeah.
Okay, you might all want to.
Nah.
We go there.
But we are.
So what you got is.
Start the road. We go to Trenton. So Trenton High School, they're the ones that posted it.
Okay. Okay.
But we have, like, if we need to take like a college fest or anything, we would have to go to.
Yes.
So
Cause like to get in, so you have to be taken.
I live like right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, I love that. I can do that.
It's, it is great.
Such a.
See almost.
It's good. Thank you. That's under. I was in my phone. Nice. Yeah, office. She got to see. Okay.
Yeah, it's excellent.
You guys are lost.
I'm going to go ahead and call this for the day, ladies and gentlemen. I appreciate those that are watching, that do watch, and even on the rewatch. And this is just a reminder, if you don't feel comfortable watching me on YouTube, you can watch me on Rumble. I posted a link in the main channel's page. So where it says Cash App, and it says one more link. If you click that link, it'll give you the link to go to Rumble. So you all have a wonderful, wonderful evening. Ta-ta and ciao-ciao. I'll catch you guys on the next video.
Breakdown, you're the one I call. From the mountains high, come down to it all. With your tools in hand, making magic flow. Every broken part, you help me grow. You fix it all, you fix it all. Daniel, you make it right. Daniel, everything's right. When I'm falling apart, you put me back together. Daniel, you make it better. From the wires tangled up to the broken dreams, you know how to mend all my scattered seams. With your steady hands, you refill my heart. Every piece that's lost gets a brand new start. You fix it all, you fix it all. Daniel, you make it right. Daniel, everything's bright. When I'm falling apart, you put me back together. Daniel, you make it better. Fix it, Daniel, make it right. When the world shuts down, and I can't see clear, you're my solid ground, always drawing near. Never give up on this heart of mine. Put it back together every single time. Fix it all, I will stand tall to all you do. From the highest peak, I can see it through. With your care and touch, everything's okay.